A former Winthrop police lieutenant has pleaded guilty to raping a child. Now, the abuse continued for over a year until he was confronted by a family member. Our NBC 10's Oscar Margain joining us live from Suffolk Superior Court in Boston, where the former lieutenant filed a plea today, and some pretty disturbing details also came out in court. Oscar?
Yeah, that's right. And the former policeman turned child rapist could have been sent to jail for life. But ultimately, this deal plus these letters of support to the judge led to a more lenient sentencing, giving the defendant another chance to turn his life around.
I'm pleading guilty for a very vile acts that I committed.
A confession from a seemingly remorseful career policeman who now finds himself on the other side of the law.
Knowing the rights that you're waiving, you still want to move forward and plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
57-year-old James Feeley went before a Suffolk Superior Court judge on Monday to change his plea after an agreement with prosecutors, admitting to raping and assaulting a preteen at his home on multiple occasions in the span of nearly a year and a half.
Did you, in fact, do the acts and the things that the prosecutor just described?
Unfortunately, yes.
It's been almost a year since Feeley was confronted by a family member who learned of the abuse, leading the former cop to make a dark confession on Christmas Day.
He made numerous admissions to other Winthrop police officers.
Feeley, a foster parent to several children, was taken into custody, only for a 2-year-old to die at his home nearly a month later. Police say that case is unrelated and have found no foul play.
It is, in fact, very rare for abuse to happen in a foster care setting.
The state's Office of the Child Advocate says the key in this case was the victim coming forward.
Go to a trusted teacher, a trusted family member, a neighbor, anyone that you think can help you, and tell them what's going on.
Friends and family pleaded with a judge for leniency through support letters, with Feeley's wife saying in part, "I understand that he can never return to this household, marriage, or have contact with my children. With the right support and counseling, he can become a better person."
I wish that your family has full healing from this, but there's a long journey ahead for you.
All right, the judge sentenced Feeley to 4 to 6 years in jail plus 5 years probation. He has to also seek treatment and register as a sex offender. Now, he also had supporters at today's hearing here at court, but just like his attorney, they did not want to comment. Reporting live in Boston, Oscar Margain, NBC 10 Boston.